Hello and welcome to our video. My name is John Watts. I'm a foreclosure defense attorney in the state of Alabama. And here's what I want to talk to you about. What if you had a foreclosure set and before that foreclosure you were not able to stop it? And we have other videos that talk about all different ways to stop a foreclosure. But let's say it didn't work or you didn't know about that. And so the foreclosure happens and now you're getting a letter to vacate. Or you're actually being sued for what's called ejectment. It's kind of like eviction. We just call it ejectment when it's dealing with your house that you used to own. What do? Is it hopeless? Because I tell you what, a lot of lawyers will tell you, nothing you can do. A lot of your friends will tell you, nothing you can do. You know, even well-meaning professionals will say, I'm sorry, it's too late. No way you can fix this. Well, let me tell you the truth. The truth is you're in a really bad spot. Okay? Talking about like here's the ground, you're like deep in a hole. Okay? But it is not hopeless. Let me say that again. It is not hopeless. You do have hope. You do have options. Now, you're fighting uphill. Okay? You're really behind the eight ball. Whatever illustration or metaphor you want to think about. You're in a bad spot, but you haven't lost. They've sued you now, or they're about to sue you. They've sued you for ejectment. That's where they go in front of a judge and say, Judge, look, I foreclosed on this person, and now I want to kick them out of their house. Well, they can't actually make you leave till a judge enters an order saying, you've got to leave. So until that happens, you're still breathing. You're still alive in this. So what do you need to do? Well, one is make sure you don't miss the deadline to respond. If you've been sued and you've been served, they're supposed to sue you in what's called circuit court. Occasionally we see some just bizarre foreclosure lawyers that knowingly file these in district court. It's absolutely wrong. They know it's wrong. They're just doing it to try to play dirty here. And when we find that, there are ways to deal with that. But if they follow the law, sue you in circuit court, you have 30 days from when you're served. Don't miss that deadline. Okay? So we're coming along to the foreclosure and something happened and the foreclosure occurred. Well, now you've got this other deadline. Don't miss this other deadline, because if you miss that deadline, judge enters an order, yeah, that's pretty much over at that point. So you've got to respond to that lawsuit. Maybe you do this on your own. Very difficult. I've not seen people do it successfully on their own, but you do what you have to do. Or you hire a lawyer. Well, what do you hire a lawyer for? Or if you do it on your own, what do you? Well, you make sure you're using Alabama law. In other words, did the mortgage company leading up to that foreclosure, did they do everything right? Or did they miss a step? Did they mess something up? Maybe they messed something up and the foreclosure is invalid. What about federal law? Well, what federal law are we talking about? Fair Debt Collection Practices Act, FDCPA. RESPA, it's RESPA, deals with mortgage service. Lots of new rules about when they can foreclose, how they foreclose, what they have to send you before they foreclose, options they have to give you. Did they follow all those? Maybe they did, maybe they didn't. After the foreclosure, are there certain letters you can send to the foreclosure lawyer, to the mortgage company that can help you to try to undo this, to take you back before the foreclosure? Make sure you do those the right way. So if we can help you in any way, if you're in Alabama, give us a call. 205-879-2447, or you can reach us through our website, alabamaconsumer.com. Look forward to talking to you, and we'll be glad to help you any way that we possibly can. Thanks for watching this video. Bye-bye.